Hey my friends, we are going to do something super cool in this video. We're going to use AI to create a summary of YouTube videos. Okay, so if you're like me, you go to YouTube all the time, you watch these videos, sometimes you think, man, that was super cool. I wish I could remember all of that stuff. And so you're like, what do I do? Well, with what I'm going to show you in this video, you're going to be able to create a summary. You're going to be able to get timestamps of important points within the video that you can actually link out to. And we're going to get a summary of all the tools that we need when we're going to start doing whatever it is that YouTube is showing us how to do. All right, so let's jump over and I'm going to show you how this works. All right, this will only take a minute and it's going to change your life. All right, so here's what I did. All the time I'm doing these how-to things in YouTube. Maybe you are too. And so in this case, I did how to change your garbage disposal. I'm not really changing mine, but I might someday. I might need to know how to do this. So I searched it up. I'm just looking at these videos and I picked one here. Okay. So whatever one you pick doesn't matter. All right. Whichever one you choose, go through your usual process, right? Okay. Let me pause that. Sorry about that. Okay. So now we get that paused and right at the perfect spot there. We go to the description right below the video, okay? So hit more, all right? And then what we're going to do is scroll down and we're going to look for this thing that says transcript, okay? So show transcript, and that is going to open over here, okay? And then what we can do is scroll up to the top. Now, all we're going to do is just copy and paste this. So I'm just using my mouse and just highlighting everything in here, all right? We'll go super fast. Right click and hit copy, okay? And then I'm going to open up my friend ChatGPT and I'm just going to paste in the whole chat, the whole transcript, okay? I'm going to paste it in there, which I already did here, okay? And then the other thing that I'm going to do, the other thing I'm going to need is, again, the other thing I'm going to need is the link to the video, okay? So just go up here in your URL bar, grab that, copy it, and then tell that to ChatGPT too, so paste that in, all right? Now, what it's gonna tell you is I can't watch videos directly, and hey, listen, I wanna say to you that most other videos that show you how to summarize YouTube videos with AI, all they do is paste this in, and then the AI just looks at the title of the video and looks at the description, and then tries to give you a summary. So you don't really get the details. That's why we paste in the whole transcript, okay? That is the key to getting really good info here. Now, what we're gonna do is bounce over here to my friend, the Google document, where I've pasted in the key prompts that you need to get this working really well for you, okay? So right here at the top, we already did these things. We pasted the transcript and the video link. So now what we're gonna do is paste this in, okay? And we're just gonna copy that, boom, go over here. We're gonna paste that in. All right, so I already pasted it there. And then hit go. And it's gonna tell you the title, all right? And then it's gonna give you the link to the video. We already knew what it was, but this is so you can remember it later, right? Because remember, when you've got ChatGPT, you can save these chats over here in the left, right? Or you can paste this info to like a Google Docs. So let's say you're getting ready to do this project this weekend. You can have this Google Doc you can look at from your phone or iPad or whatever while you're under the sink instead of having to try to watch the video over and over again. Okay, so here's the key points. We'll just breeze through those, but it's a nice summary, right? And so the next thing we do is we jump over here and we give it our second prompt. Now this is where we're going to get our timestamps, okay? And this is an important prompt. If you just ask for the timestamps, they're not going to work right. So that's why I've encoded this the right way so that with this information, ChatGPT can actually give you the right timestamps, okay, that work. So here we are. So now if it's this weekend and you're getting ready to work and you're like, I need to remember how to do that electrical stuff, you can just go boom, touch on that. Okay, let me pause that so you don't have to hear it. And it takes you right to that point in the video. So super awesome. So again, you can just copy that out to a Google Doc, whatever. Okay, you can even ask more questions about any of these to ChatGPT. Now the final thing that we're going to do here is we're going to have it tell us all the tools that we're going to need for this project based on what they mentioned in the video. Okay, that's what I did here. Now make a list of the tools. All right, and so now we've got this nice list, right? We're going to need all of these things. So now before the weekend, Friday night or whatever, I can just get this stuff out. I can have it ready so when I start the project, I'm not like getting up and down 15 times to go and grab the hacksaw or the wire connectors or whatever that we're going to need. Okay, so just some little time savers. This thing has been huge for me. I use it for all sorts of stuff, so I hope you like it. If you do, please give it a, and if you're not a subscriber, man, why don't you join me? I'd love to have you on board. We show you all kinds of cool AI tools and digital marketing stuff that you can actually use. You don't even have to be like some entrepreneur or business person or whatever. It's all just practical stuff you can use. So, boom, there you go. Here's a couple of videos that you might want to watch next, and we will see you in the next one.